My name is Amanda Robin. I'm in the ADN program here at Galen in Utah, Salt Lake City. I liked Galen because they focus a lot on students and making sure they're having a good nursing school experience. I come in and there's puzzles out for me to do in between to keep my mind happy. They seem to care. I like that they have taught me, I'm one that likes pathology and stuff, but I like that with nursing, it's all about prioritizing my cares and knowing what to look for in the patients. And I feel because of my instructors having such great knowledge bank and experience, and I'm really getting a feel for what I'm going to watch for and prioritize. I also really enjoyed having in my med surg, I had an instructor who got her hands dirty just like the rest of us. Like, she was there with us helping with patient care, taking out garbages. It was really inspiring to see, and just the encouragement and support I received after my CPEs. Passing those off has really motivated me to make me feel more confident when I become a nurse. It makes me feel like I belong in this profession, and they just built my confidence up.